Hello, my name is Kota Tsuji, and we do renovation in Japan, Kyoto. And today we talk about roof renovation. So we renovate the roof from old tile Kawara roof to the Galvalume steel roof. The first time, last month, the customer called us because there was a leak, and we checked inside, and there was leaks and water stains on the ceilings. So we climb up the roof and to check what's happening, and we checked the Kawara. Kawara was falling off, and the soil underneath were washed away, and also there was a weed growing everywhere. So we decided to fix this Kawara and this whole roof. We have to renovate it to galvanum steel roofs. And because the house is very old, we were able to use the subsidy from Kyoto City to help pay for the repairs. Before setting up the scaffoldings, we had to cut some bamboo in the backyard. It was raining that day, but we finished the scaffolding safely. The following week, we started the roof work. First, we removed all the old tiles. Since they were installed with soil, there was a lot of heavy waste to throw away. After removing everything, we placed wood battens, then added plywood seats on top. We then put down a waterproof layer and finally added the galvanium panels we had cut before. And during the roofing work, we also saw some cracks or chokings on the side walls and the front walls because the house is very old. So if you just look at the wall, look at the roof, if it looks okay, but sometimes the walls has problem. With good maintenance, even old houses like this can last for many more years. So this is how we did the roof renovation. And if you are thinking of buying a new house, buying old house, IKEA, please contact us. We can help you renovation and help you buying old houses. Thank you so much.